In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, maintaining the right team composition is crucial for productivity. ClickUp makes it easy to manage team members, and in just a few simple steps, you can remove someone who no longer needs access. We'll walk through the process together, ensuring it's straightforward and stress-free. First things first, head over to clickup.com and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with the ClickUp interface, don't worry. It's intuitive and designed to be user-friendly. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Here, you have access to all your projects, tasks, and team settings. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. The profile icon serves as your gateway to personal and team-related settings. When you click it, a drop-down menu should appear. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you can manage all your personal details, as well as handle team-specific configurations. A series of options will become available to you, each playing a significant role in customizing your ClickUp experience. Now, locate and click on People. This tab is essential for managing your team members. Once you access it, you'll see a list of all the people who currently have access to your ClickUp workspace. It's a comprehensive feature where you can add, modify, or remove team members according to your workspace's needs. Once you're in the People section, carefully look for the specific member you wish to remove. It might take a moment if you have a large team, but typically navigation is smooth. When you spot their name, direct your attention to the right side, where you'll notice a 3 dots icon. This icon allows you to access more options related to the member's role and permissions. Click on the 3 dots icon, and a small menu will pop up. In this menu, you should see the option to remove. Select it, and a confirmation prompt will appear. This prompt is designed to double-check your decision, ensuring that you really want to proceed with removing the member. It's a good practice to reconfirm this action, especially if you manage sensitive data or projects. Finally, click Remove once more to finalize the process. The member will no longer have access to your workspace. Congratulations! You've successfully removed a member from your ClickUp environment, keeping your team lean and efficient. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily manage your team members in ClickUp, ensuring you have the right individuals in place to achieve your project goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps streamline your team management activities in ClickUp.